Tesla's Model 3 begins at $35,000, yet extra highlights could knock the last cost up to $55,000. A few overhauls appear to be fundamental, similar to the capacity to naturally alter seats. Other premium highlights, similar to self-driving programming, may not be justified regardless of the extra expenses. Tesla's calling card for the Model 3 is that it's the organization's first mass showcase vehicle. With the vehicle's beginning cost of $35,000, Tesla is right to tout its reasonableness. In any case, the auto could cost significantly more when you get past the requesting procedure. This is what you have to know. The base Model 3 is really exposed. Most will need to buy the Model 3's premium bundle, which incorporates highlights that are normally standard, similar to the capacity to modify the front seats naturally and a secured focus comfort. The premium bundle costs $5,000 and incorporates things like LED mist lights, 2 back USB ports, and a tinted glass rooftop with bright and infrared security. With that bundle, you're taking a gander at $40,000 all in. The Model 3 comes furnished with the fundamental equipment to help Tesla's second-age autopilot framework, however you have to pay an additional $5,000 to actuate it. As per Tesla, enhanced autopilot will in the long run enable the auto to coordinate its speed to movement conditions, naturally move to another lane without driver input, converge on and off interstates, and stop itself. The summon highlight will likewise work in more complex conditions, such as parking structures. Tesla is pushing out the highlights after some time. The individuals who have paid for the framework on the Model S and Model X approach original highlights like dynamic voyage control, forward crash cautioning, and auto steer. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has likewise said the equipment will in the long run enable the autos to completely drive themselves. The individuals who buy a Model 3 can pay for future access for an extra $3,000 over enhanced autopilot. It might be worth holding off, however. Musk said not long ago that Tesla may defer its huge exhibit of the innovation. Also, the central government presently can't seem to conclude controls for self-driving autos. You should spare a few $1,000s until there is a more concrete rollout design. At any rate, in the event that you need the genuine Tesla autopilot encounter, you're taking a gander at $45,000 for the Model 3.